Hi there, welcome to Ringo-Media. Today's video is about VPNs, especially for your Firestick and phones, things like that. Why do we need a VPN and what is a VPN? First off, what is it? Well, it routes your address on your computer through a server, and that in turn broadcasts their IP address, not yours. Now, you can select servers from all over the world, depending on the service provider you use, and it can be very useful for if you're watching the likes of Netflix and you're abroad and you want to watch UK videos or Netflix films, things like that. You can pick a server in the UK when you're in, let's say, America, so you can watch the UK content, or vice versa. If you're in the UK and you want to watch something that's on Netflix, YouTube, etc., that are in other parts of the world, you can change to the server to that country, i.e. America, and watch the series and shows that are available there. So today what I'm going to show is a VPN called IP Vanish. They're doing some good deals at the moment over the holiday or Christmas time, and this is one that I recommend using. But again, I will touch on other ones in other videos as well. There's lots of them. There are free ones. Free ones, why are they free? Lots of them log your data and sell it. So be extremely careful on the free ones. And I say there is one free one or two free ones that I'll touch on in other videos to help you. But I recommend IP Vanish as the main one. And easy to install. So from your Fire Stick, just scroll over to the Find button, down to Search, and in there we'll just search for IP Vanish, so I and then P, and by typing that in I've selected JO, not IP. So let's go back and correct that. The cursor wasn't working quick enough for me. I was working behind it, so I and then a P, go back, IP Vanish. So it saved me typing Vanish in. As you can see, if you come down, iPlayer is the first one in the search, IP Vanish is the second, so it shows how often it's downloaded. So select IP Vanish, the first icon you got there, that's the one we want at this time. So we click on that and download it. So click on the download. While I'm talking, it will download that, and then we can open it and use it. Create an account or log in if you've got an account already. So that's how to download it. As you can see, bottom right of the screen, IP Vanish, ready to launch. Now, saying about the deals IP Vanish are doing at the moment, then if we have a quick look at the website, as you can see here, they do a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you take out the subscription and you're not happy with it, you've got that money-back guarantee, which is great for it. You can choose from monthly plans, yearly plans, or 2 yearly plans. Obviously monthly is going to be more expensive. As you can see, for the essential version, £9.99 a month. Go to the yearly, it drops right down to £2.92 a month. That gives you global VPNs, so you can choose lots of different countries, support, threat protection as well, and at the moment they're doing a deal, you get a 3 gig eSIM data. So you get a virtual SIM that you can use 3 gig of data if you're out and about and you need something extra, lose signal, something like that. It's a freebie they're doing at the moment. The IP Vanish Essential is the minimum one basically that I would recommend for your Firestick. It is their basic one, but for Firesticks it's fine. You could also, for that little bit extra, go for the advanced. As you can see, it's not a great deal extra per month, and you get the same first few bits, but a secure browser, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, nothing to do with the IP VPN itself, but it's an extra that you pay for to get cloud storage. And the eSIM they're doing on that is 5 gig of data. So if you're out and about and you want to use your phone or something like that as a hotspot or to watch things on your phone or for your computer, you can do, and you've got lots going on there. Now you can also, if you wish, click on the 2-year plan, and again it drops it right back down now to £1.58 a month or £2.39. Currently with these deals that they're doing, for the slight difference in the price per month, I personally would go for the advanced. The good thing with IP Vanish is that there's no limit on the devices you put it on. So you think about the devices in your home that you stream, you take out with you, connect to public Wi-Fi's. You've got your phones, your wife, your girlfriend, your children if you've got them. You've also got tablets, desktops, laptops, plus Firestick or other streaming devices. All of these are covered. If we have a quick look up here to the apps, if I can just get my cursor in the right place, there we go. So we go to apps, Android and iOS, so iPhones it will support, Apple TV, Fire TV, Nvidia Shields, On, Google Chromecast, Nokia streaming boxes, it does Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome. So all of these, your Chromebooks, your MacBooks and things like that, it covers all of these devices. And if you've got them at home, great, you can put it on all of them for no extra cost. Now also within the protection that they give you, and why I recommend a VPN, other than just the use of, you can get extra protection, so companies can't see necessarily what you're watching, things like that, and protects your private address for each computer or computer device, iPhones, Android phones, etc. But it also will protect you while you're out and about and connecting to public Wi-Fi's. So the Wi-Fi's you get at restaurants, pubs, takeaways, things like that, even at shopping malls, shopping centres, all of them free Wi-Fi's, hackers can use and get into your data. By running a VPN on your phone or the device you're using, then that will block the hackers getting into your IP address and into your device, because they're looking at a wrong IP address, a different IP address, because you're protected by the VPN. So that's why VPNs are very important. I would recommend getting IP Vanish at the moment because of this super deal they're doing. As you can see at the top here, up to 84% off currently. So get onto it. Get that deal now while you can. From here, again, on the account, you just create an account with them. If I move myself there, get started, go to my account, set one up online. Once you get that deal online, download it on all your devices. Easy enough, set them all up and off you go. Protection out and about for you, the whole family, all your computer, phone devices, mobile tablets, etc. I hope that's been helpful for you to explain briefly why we need a VPN, and hopefully you'll take up the IP Vanish deal that's on at the moment. It's wonderful. There are other companies out there, of course, and I will be looking at them as well later on in other videos. So please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll do some more videos on VPNs later on. And if you're watching this fairly after I've uploaded it, then Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you. And if you're not, happy whatever days you're watching it on. So all the best to you all. Take good care. Bye.